Hi Lance, my name is Mo from MarkNative. I believe you spoke to my associate Jessica, and she had mentioned that you'd be interested in checking out the video that we have for you. So here it goes. So today I'll be going over a couple of things that you can start doing for free to help positively impact your business and bring more customers in. So hopefully by the end of this video you get something out of it, and you can start implementing the strategies today yourself. And all I ask is that you leave us some online feedback, letting us know if the video was helpful. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Three things that I'll be focusing on today, Lance. It's content, backlinks, and citations. We'll be going over each of these as we move along on the video. So as you could see, I have your website pulled up here. So let's see, really nice looking website for sure. I love the logo. And then the slideshow that's happening. Let's see. This part could be cleaned up a little bit. And then definitely we need more items here. I'm looking for social links as well. I haven't really seen any social links. So Lance, you may want to add a kind of like a form perhaps where customers can add in their details, maybe request a quote, etc. So you could also build a database of customers, and you could be sending them emails of promotion, sale, etc. Right? Let's see. Now, I would like to see the phone number here as well. I know you have a nice call to action button right there in the middle. But we want to show them the phone number as well. So anyway, like I'm not just going to be looking at your website. We're going to be going into deep dive into more behind the scenes and looking at the backend data that can help you get to the first page of Google, and most importantly on the top 3 searches. That is what really matters, right? Because ultimately over 90% of the people don't actually ever go past that. So first thing, as I mentioned, we'll be talking about content. So Google released that their algorithms, when scrubbing pages, they look for about a minimum of 1,500 words. So Lance, you want to make sure that you're meeting that at least 1,500 words mark, okay? Having enough content on the page, it allows you to stuff the keywords that you want to be found for. For example, let me show you. Okay, so I typed up basically the industry, right? The carpet cleaner. Carpet could be different keywords like carpet cleaning, carpet cleaner, etc. I typed up carpet cleaner in Harrisburg, PA. Okay, I typed the keyword and the location, and we can see that your #1 competitor on the Google Map pack, Be Clean, right? But what we want to focus on, I'll come back to this, but we also want to focus on the organic search results. Angie's List, Yelp, etc. These are directories. Google does not prioritize them. It prioritizes actual businesses and companies. Okay, so mainly this guy I checked them out. OxyFresh, obviously a franchise, right? But they're not a competitor for you, and I will explain. Even though they're ranking here, you could easily take over, and then these guys are being your competitors as well. Okay. And we could easily top Angie's here as well. So let's look to the back end as I promised. Let's look to the competitor's website really quickly. So they have a little bit of content. It's nothing too much. Okay, and then the other competitor. So first one is OxyFresh. The second one is Carpet Cleaners Harrisburg. Going through really, I'm just very quickly checking the content. As you could see, they have good amount of content here, right? So we could easily beat them by having more content with more keywords. Okay, so let's quickly see what OxyFresh is doing. Remember, it's not their domain what they're ranking on that page of Google for Harrisburg. They're ranking this particular page. Okay, OxyFresh, and then goes to the location, the Harrisburg. And then let's see, organic keywords that they're being found for, 16. Okay, notice how the volume, okay, for carpet cleaners, Harrisburg, volume is 250 people, 250 searches, 250 searches. Carpet cleaners, carpet cleaning. That means 250 people are searching for it monthly. They're grabbing 35 of those traffics, and they're in position 2. Okay, they're not even grabbing that many, but keyword lands is the keyword difficulty from 1 through 100 is at 1. Okay, that means it's super easy for you to grab, and there's absolutely no reason why you cannot be grabbing these keywords. Okay, to miss out on these, you definitely don't want to miss out. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's look through what the other guys are doing. Overview. Okay, domain, yep. Let's search. Okay, they're being found for 114 keywords. So let's look through the keywords. Okay, so similar keywords. You could also feel free to pause here and then just look through other details like positions, like what number on the Google searches they are based on this keyword. Okay, so let's look through yours. Your one is a brand new site, I believe, right? Just showing a little bit of activity from last year, January 2021. You got it from GoDaddy, etc. And you do not have any data, right? So you definitely want to start working on your site right away. Apart from content lens, there's a few other factors that plays a role. Let's go back to overview. Backlinks. Okay, this is the second factor that decides where you rank. So backlinks are basically a link from blogs, articles, basically a link from a different site that points to you. The more of these links that you have, the more popular you are for your industry, the more relevant you are for your industry in the eyes of Google. Okay, so basically kind of like a popularity contest. Whichever website has this backlinks, as many as possible, they kind of win and they rank higher. Okay. And quality of content, quality of backlinks is more important than the quantity, because you don't want to be getting links from, let's say, Flower Shop, when you are a carpet cleaning company, right? So that's one thing to keep in mind. Last thing that I want to talk about is citations. Okay, so citations is basically anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number shows up in. That could be Angie's List, Yelp, blogs, articles, etc. Right? So basically any of those sites like that, as many places your business profile information is in, you will rank here. Okay, if you want to rank higher on Google Maps, you need citations. Okay, so those are the 3 things I had for you, Lance. It is content, backlinks, and citations. Okay, I hope you found this video informative, and if if it did help you in any way, if you could just leave us a 1-line feedback letting us know how it went. And if you would like to learn more, you could always feel free to reach out to me at 347-210-0943. Right, and my information will be on the email as well. Thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.